Troubleshooting Azure SQL Scale-Out requires a structured approach to identify and resolve issues that may arise when scaling out your database. The first step is to monitor your database performance using Azure Monitor and identify the bottlenecks that require scaling. You should check the database metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, and storage space to determine if the current resources are sufficient. If the metrics indicate that the database is under strain, you can scale out by adding more read-only replicas or increasing the service tier. To scale out, you can use Azure SQL Database Elastic Pool or Azure SQL Database Sharding, which allows you to distribute data and workload across multiple databases. Elastic Pool enables you to manage a group of databases with a shared set of resources, while sharding involves dividing a large database into smaller, more manageable pieces. When troubleshooting scale-out issues, check for common problems such as connection pooling, query optimization, and indexing. Ensure that connection pooling is properly configured to avoid exhausting the connection limit, and optimize queries to reduce the load on the database. Additionally, verify that indexing is properly configured to improve query performance. You should also check for any issues with data consistency and integrity, and ensure that data is properly replicated across all replicas. To resolve scale-out issues, you can use Azure SQL Database built-in tools such as the Query Store, which provides insights into query performance, and the Database Advisor, which recommends optimization opportunities. You can also use third-party tools to monitor and troubleshoot your database. Best practices for troubleshooting Azure SQL Scale-Out include regularly monitoring database performance, testing and validating changes before deploying them to production, and implementing automation to streamline the scaling process. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Azure SQL scale-out issues and ensure that your database is performing optimally.